In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an object rotate forever in Cinema 4D. We'll walk through two straightforward ways to do this. First, a classic keyframe method that gives you a perfectly looping animation. Then a procedural approach using the time effector that keeps things flexible and keyframe free. Use whichever suits your workflow. Let's start with the keyframe loop. Select the object you want to spin and move to the starting frame of your timeline. Set its rotation to where you want the loop to begin. 0 degrees is a clean choice, and add a keyframe for the rotation channels. Now move forward in time to determine your speed. The farther you go, the slower the spin, the closer you stay, the faster it will be. At that later frame, rotate the object exactly 360 degrees on the axis you want to spin, typically heading, pitch, or bank, and set a second keyframe. When you play it back, you'll see one full rotation between those two frames. To make it loop forever, open the timeline, select the object's rotation track, and set its after mode to repeat. This tells Cinema 4D to continuously repeat that 360-degree movement across the timeline. If you notice any easing in or out, switch the rotation track's interpolation to linear so the speed stays constant throughout the loop. The beauty of this method is precision. You control the length of the loop in frames, which is great for syncing to other animation or music cues. Now for the time effector method, which is quick and procedural. Create a time effector and make it a child of the object you want to rotate. In the time effector's parameters, enable rotation, then activate the axis you want to spin. Enter a rotation value and the object will begin rotating continuously without any keyframes. Increase the value for faster rotation or adjust the time effector's time scaling if you need broader control. Because it's procedural, you can tweak speed and direction on the fly, and you won't clutter your timeline with tracks. This is excellent for broad motion previews and setups where you want to stay flexible. Both methods get you a clean, endless rotation. Use the keyframe loop when you need exact duration and export-friendly tracks, and lean on the time effector when you want instant, adjustable motion. Hit play to confirm the motion, and you're done.